Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In today's video we're going to go through the Kingbolen K7 and I will tell you why this is I'm not going to say it's a must, but it is a great piece of kit, and I will compare it to other manufacturers. So to start off with, it is free lifetime update, guys. When you buy it, that's it, end of. You don't need to do yearly updates, pay hundreds of pounds. It's free from now on. And what's amazing is a Bluetooth as well, so it's pretty easy to carry. And look at the machine. I'm going to go through everything so you know why it's worth every penny, guys. And to let you all know, I'm going to put the link in below so you can all purchase one and grab one on Amazon, or maybe other links that I'll put on, but Amazon is your best bet in this case, guys. So I'm going to go through it all step at a time. Here's the Bluetooth, and it goes into the OBD right there. Once in, it will flash green like that, guys. And we'll go into scan. And let me just show you all these vehicles it covers without boring you all. And I kid you not, if we're talking about other manufacturers such as Autel and Snap-on, we'll be talking minimum £500–600, actually a lot more, because you can do certain coding with this where you can't do it with Autel. So look at all these manufacturers, guys. Going back to the top, it's as simple as this. This will then pick the VIN chassis up, and in the meantime, and what I like about it as well, you can record the screen and go back onto it as well. I've never seen this on any other manufacturers. That's what's good about it. And you can see it's picked the vehicle up straight away. And here we are, we'll do an auto search. It's so simple and easy to use. There's nothing crazy. Look at it, coding, programming, special functions, anti-theft. There's nothing crazy, guys. It's so dead straightforward. And what's amazing, and look, it tells you the actual mileage of the car for anyone in the car business. Right and drive, auto, B47. So if you were to buy a car, honestly, guys, if these don't match to what's on this car, then you'll know it's cloned. Anyway, that's not my problem, but let's move on. This should switch off the ignition. It's turned the engine off as usual on a BMW. And what's amazing as well, you can do bi-directional tests, you can do ECU coding. There's many service functions. As we said, it's an auto VIN detect. So here it is. Turn the engine, well, the ignition back on. And it's a 7-inch screen, pretty easy to use, really smooth, and there is no issues in terms of the screen itself. But as we can see, it's gone through all the modules. So we're going to do a health report as a starter, so you can all know what it is capable of. So these are the modules on the car. It's so quick. You just saw how quick that went through all the diagnostics. I'm not going to bore you all, but this is what's amazing. You've got a tab here, click down, and it kind of tells you the fault codes. And if we wanted to clear it all, obviously we need the ignition off, engine off, sorry, and ignition on, and we will hit clear DTC. This is how quick it will actually go through the clearance as well. So there you are, one after another. It deletes all these fault codes within seconds. There you go, you saw it, guys. Now moving out of this, I'm not going to bore you. So if we go into special function, guys, in the drive, you can see all these service sections, right? There's so much: DPF, cooling system, learning glow elements, reset correction, smooth fuel system, reset adaptation of math and whatnot, transmission. You've got all them. And if you go back, the chassis is to do with the steering angle sensor and the steering rack and the ABS system. But you can see what you've got. The body, again, initializing power. So there, the windows. It's got so many different things. This is exactly my point of why it's worth every penny, guys. Driver assistant, if you've accident damaged cars, the radar probably, you know, messes up, and that's why we're like, if you have that, you can certainly recalibrate everything with the ADAS system. And then here we are, service record. So you can add or delete service records on the iDrive. So for example, if you've let me just show you guys what that means. Before, there was none of this, and I'm amazed how you can actually do it nowadays. So if you go in service history, that you can add or delete, guys. that you can add or delete. That's amazing. Coming further down, guys, reset. So in terms of the warning on there, so like let's say these, you can reset any of these guys. As said, it's so easy to use, it's not difficult. Look at reset, and not only do you get it in writing, but you've got it also in like sort of images. So if you can't read, guess what, mate, you don't need to go crazy, you just do it. So let's just use the oil reset as an example, and let's do vehicle status, engine oil, let it pair up, and I'll show you. So here we are, telling us front brake, rear brakes, whatnot. So if we do the F2, this is just to kind of show you guys what it's capable of. So it's currently being performed. Front brakes, 27,000 miles. So it's just done it. Now we're back at 100%, and it tells us on here as well how many times it's had the front brakes changed. It kind of stores it, guys. It's amazing how many things we can go through here. And look at that gearbox learning as well, guys. Like I said, you'd be paying hundreds and hundreds of pounds for something equivalent to this. Obviously the gearbox on this car is like perfectly fine, so I'm not going to go crazy on it, but you can just see what it's capable of and what it can do. There's just so many things that this is capable of. I'm not going to bore you all, but we'll just go through some things in terms of activating some components. So here we are within the engine section, electric fan, and if we hit activate, guys, these are just things you can do, and I've done it for many other manufacturers, but it's amazing how you've got it on. There you go. And that's how you can check components to see if they actually work. If they don't work, then you obviously change the component. And if we were to stop, there you go. And what's amazing as well, guys, if we come back out of this, you've got other things as well, which we'll leave for now, but you've got like read data stream. So for example, diagnosis request, and then if we select any of these, you can then do a live data. So for example, let's do these 3. So the battery voltage is live current on, let's say you've got 11.74 battery voltage. These obviously the car's not running for it to show, but you've got it in this sort of graph. Not all manufacturers provide this sort of view. And if we come back out of this, I'm going to show you more things as well, guys. So these are some of the things that you can activate the test. So for example, indicators, brake lights. So if we, there you are. So if we activate now, there you go, it's come on. It's just a brilliant piece of kit, guys. Anything else, even indicators, right indicator, activate. And if we hit activate now, there you go, it stays on solid. Right, guys, to sum it all up, I'll be honest, we always say go back to the pricing and see if it's worth it. The reason I say this is worth every penny is because if we're comparing this like for like with Snap-on and Hotel, the reason I'm saying Snap-on and Hotel is because they've been around for years and years, and their pricing, like for like, you'd be looking at £700, maybe more, maybe less, depending on the offer. But you've got to understand, this is only around £300. It really is a no-brainer, and it does like best of both worlds. Whether you're a new starter, whether you're doing 1 car a year, or you're doing like 10 cars a day and you're a pro, this will do the job. So why not save yourself hundreds of pounds? And what's amazing as well is free lifetime update, guys. With other manufacturers, it's not. So you're kind of screwed in that sense, and you have to pay yearly, and by the time you realise, after a year or 2, you will have paid a bomb for these sort of diagnostic machines. So no, keep it cool, only £300 and free lifetime update, and there's so many different options you can do on this and use for any manufacturers. If you ask me, it literally works with most manufacturers, and it's a lovely box, very nice, easy to carry. Even this as well, you've got a camera there, easy to hold. And honestly, I'm not going to over exaggerate, but this will not break. I swear, it's so strong. Like, I don't need to break it, but I'm just telling you, because I drop these quite a lot, and this is pretty solid. And I like how you've got this handheld here as well. I'd like to hear your feedback as well. I'd love to know what you think of this tool, and I'd love to see what you guys have. And comment below, and I will tell you if it's worth getting this, which I'm pretty sure it is. There's no doubt. But do comment, and I want to hear your feedback, guys. Thank you.